What's up everybody, Thomas Kennedy here, back again with another airbrush video for you. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do a dog portrait. This one doesn't have the greatest reference photo, so I'm just kind of winging it, doing the best I can. It's going to be realistic, but kind of done in a more simplistic way. So, if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Also, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with my latest videos. Give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Check out the links in the description section. I have a link to one of my online stores, workhardandneversettle.com. I've got a lot of cool stuff on there, so check that out. There's also links below for all the stuff I use, airbrushes and stuff like that. So check that out, and I'm going to head back to the airbrush room and show you what I have started on the canvas so far. Alright, heading back to the airbrush room. I already have this stenciled onto the canvas. It may be hard to see, but there it is. Just a simple traced outline. Just something to do a quick and easy dog portrait. This is the reference photo. It's not a horrible photo, but it's not perfect either. So I have to kind of do this in a more simple way, but it's still going to make an awesome painting, and it's still going to be pretty realistic. So I simply just put that on the light pad here at my shop. Traced it onto some regular cheap tracing paper, and then I shrunk that down just on some copy paper, and then I projected it onto the canvas. So like I said, this one's just a quick, easy, pretty much like a rendering. So I'm gonna jump right into it. Feel free to grab a photo off Google, make a quick stencil, throw it on a canvas or even a piece of poster board, whatever you have to practice on. Just get some practice in and get to where you can knock these portraits out just like that. So stay tuned.
It's the money. 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 It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money. It's the money, it's the money.